How to create a TikTok account on your mobile device. If you've never used TikTok before and you would like to create an account, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to do this. Okay, straight into it. First, go to either the Play Store or the App Store depending on what type of phone you have and download the TikTok app. Once downloaded, open up the app. Here you can see I'm actually in the TikTok app, but if I want to actually create an account, then at the bottom right hand corner where it says profile, I'm going to click on there. And then I'm going to click on login or sign up. So there's a few different ways of being able to sign up. You can either use your phone number or your email address. You can use your Facebook account, Google account, or Twitter account. I'm going to sign up using my phone or email address. So I'm going to click on the top option. When's your birthday? So I'm just going to put in a birthday, a random day. Next. So I'm going to try signing up with my email address rather than my phone. Put in my email address. And then it says get trending content, newsletters and promotions. If you want to sign up your email address to get those newsletters, you can tick that checkbox. I'm going to leave that unticked. Next. I'm going to click next. So it's giving me a little verification puzzle, so I just need to drag that one over to there. Verification complete. Next I have to enter in a password. So I've entered in a password, so the password must be 8 to 20 characters long. It must be a combination of letters, numbers and special characters. I'm going to click on next. Create a username. So it's check that username and it's got a green tick, so that means that's available. I can always change that at a later date. So next I'm going to click on sign up. And there you go. So I just clicked on profile in the bottom right corner. And as you can see, I'm now logged in as Tips for Noobs. And that's all it takes to create a TikTok account on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.